In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your hidden Photos password on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app and go to Albums. Scroll down to find the Hidden album with the lock icon. This album uses Face ID by default, but here's the key thing you need to know. The hidden album doesn't have a separate passcode. It uses your iPhone's main passcode for backup access. So to change the hidden Photos password, we need to change your iPhone passcode. Here's how. Open Settings and scroll down to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode first when prompted. Now scroll down and tap on Change Passcode. Enter your old passcode first, then create your new passcode. Then you need to re-enter to confirm. And that's it. Your iPhone passcode is now changed, which means your hidden album password is also updated. This works for iPhone photo security and all passcode protected features. If this helped you secure your iPhone hidden photos, hit the like button and subscribe for more iOS tutorials.